Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, today right here what you're looking at is a Amazon king size box spring that I recently got. Here I'm showing you my toolkit that I actually bought from Amazon as well. It has everything that you pretty much need to do any DIY projects. So here is me cutting the box spring out. It had a lot of tapes on it, so I'm just doing my thing, trying to get it all unboxed. So guys, this is pretty much what comes inside this box. So there's like 3 separate pieces here, so I'm just like laying everything all flat. So here I'm giving you a close-up view of what it really is, also my toolkit. So yeah, pretty much this is it. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna start assembling this, all the screws and everything.
Cover for it. After you set it up, you normally put it in this thing. As I said, this is my first time, so we'll show you like what's it like. So
this took me overall about 30 to 45 minutes to do the complete setup. So guys, right here now I'm actually just doing a layout of it, because there's like 4 pieces, each piece interconnects really. So like I'm just doing a pre-setup, so I see exactly what dimensions of the room space I need to use up. So here's me just doing a setup, checking out how things are, and that's pretty much it, guys.
So guys, at this point you pretty much can see a layout of what it is. So these are the pieces that are there to go in these slots. As you can see, there are some slots here that those would go in. Honestly, I'm not really no manual until I reach a place where I can't proceed anymore. Like, we don't use, who uses a manual unless you get into problems, right? Like, so these are for this. Alright guys, so I'm just giving you a more up close look. So these are like some bolts, just like some Allen heads. So basically what happens is that you get the bolt, right? There are some holes right here and right here. So pretty much what you do, you're going to ensure that these are properly aligned. Once you get them aligned, this would actually go through the hole and all of that. And then there is a nut that goes on the end, honestly, because this requires 2 hands, so you can't really get an up close shoot what I'm not showing you. So pretty much that's the whole setup along the entire thing. Right here as well, you see that these line up. There are holes that lines up with these holes, and pretty much that's just how it goes. So these 2 holes line up with these 2 holes in this mat, and you attach the bolt and the nut, and that's it.
So this is me just adding the nut and the bolts to every section of this, so I can pretty much get it done as soon as I possibly could. Honestly, like compared to other stuff that I've set up, this is pretty easy. I would say like the difficulty would be like a 5. It's pretty neutral for me, to be honest, because I think it's pretty self-explanatory. So as I said, this is just me connecting all the joints, putting in the nut and the bolts.
Alright guys, so pretty much this is what I did. I did not tighten the screws as yet, just to ensure that everything lines up perfectly. So as you can see, all the sections, the loose are lightly threaded or slightly threaded. So there's two big ones that connect the center pieces together. So as you can see, I can just turn them with my hands. Also, see, everything is just lightly tightened. It's loosely tightened, sorry. So yes, so now I'm just gonna go ahead, get these snugged and tight, and then pretty much guys, with these, how they do, based on what I'm seeing, is that you just drop it right here and you drop it right there, and pretty much that seems to be the way to go. And as I said, I didn't even use the manual because it's that easy to set up. This is what we're gonna work with, guys. These two things here are what we're gonna be working with. This is the hollow nut and this is the turn in the Allen head screws that are there. So let's go.
So guys, after trying this, I decided, hey, this is taking way too long, and I don't see myself. I don't like taking long to do things, you know what I mean? Like, I like doing it right, but like not taking too long. So guys, at this time I decided to pull out the big guns. So I was like, I need to get my drill.
So guys, as you know, I am a very innovative person, so I got a 10mm socket and the sprocket for it, and I just put it inside my drill. Because guys, like honestly, I'm not the type of person to take 5-10 minutes to just screw up something, so I'm just gonna use my drill, guys, and let's see what happens. Because that's taking too long, because there's like this thread locker that keeps it from getting loosened, so that kind of takes a lot of time. So guys, let's see how fast this will work. It didn't took me long enough. It's all completely done just by using this and this. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Everything is tightened. Probably you see me over here fiddling around this corner. I was moving so fast with the drill, I didn't even realize that I didn't tighten that one up. So guys, so pretty much these are how these are. Everything pretty much looks universal. You don't necessarily have to go in a specific spot. So let's start by putting that in right there and hit right here. So nice. Let's just finish this up, shall we?
At this point, I'm just here installing these final pieces. So as you see, I'm just dropping them in their slots that they need to be in. So I'm just lightly resting them there, so before I properly have them seated. So this is me just adding a little force to them so that they can slide down in the gaps, so they can be firmly seated.
Alright guys, so it's finally completed after a few minutes of just, figuring it out, guys. So this is pretty much it without the covering. So I'm gonna install the covering, guys. It's only me, so honestly I don't know what stuff I'm gonna pull off now, but guys, so anyways, persons might be wondering, oh, I see you have two leftovers. These are actually spare nuts and bolts that they gave and all that. So as you can see, because some people like to challenge you, it says spare parts, which are those two and the next one that I put in my toolkit. Okay, so yes guys, we're getting there.
So guys, we're at the final step, taking out the covering for the box spring. So honestly, it was a bit of a struggle for me at first, because I was like trying to figure out if I had the right end at the right end. So this is just me trying to figure out how to put this on. Honestly, this was just a one-man job, so at this point I pretty much had it figured out. So this is the final look, guys.
So guys, this is the final look of my 10-inch Amazon box spring. This is a nice little fabric type thing. I'm not sure what the material is. I'll have to check the chart. Guys, this is how it looks. Nice. It's pretty nice and even looking all around. I might have to adjust this side a bit more to get nice and even, but guys, this is what it is. If I can do it, you can do it too. So guys, this is the 10-inch Amazon king size bed box spring.
So guys, this is the final look. If you need a follow-up video, just let me know. At this point that you're seeing this video, it is already on my king size bed and it's going up pretty nicely.